So this is number 89 from chapter 4, section 2. They want us to graph a bunch of graphs, but once we get the hang of these, you won't need all of them. So we're gonna do case A. Case A, f is positive. What does that mean? It's above the x-axis. Positive functions are above the x-axis. F prime is positive. You should know that means the function is increasing. The second derivative is positive. You should know it's concave up. So from those three pieces of information, you should be able to kind of draw A. There are an infinite number of correct answers, but here's the deal. It's concave up. Which part of this graph is increasing? The left or right? The right half. That's the increasing function. This is decreasing. So it's going to look like that. The right half of a smiley face, it has to be above the x-axis. So my answer is there. The function is positive and it's from A to B. So I'll pick an A to B and put dots at the end. So that's how you do that. And I'm not going to do all of these. Let's go to D and evaluate D. So this says, same thing, above the x-axis. A negative f prime says it's a decreasing function. A negative second derivative says it's concave down. So what does concave down look like? That's concave down, but it's decreasing. This is increasing, that's decreasing. So it has to look like the right half. So it's going to look like that, but it's above the x-axis. Right there. There's A, there's B. So it is decreasing, which matches that. And this is concave down, so it matches that. And it's above the x-axis. I will do one more for you. I will do G. G. So what does this first thing tell us? That's below the x-axis because the y is negative. So we have to be below the x-axis. The derivative is negative, must be decreasing. The second derivative is positive, must be concave up. So let's think about that. Here's concave up. Which part of that's decreasing? That's decreasing. That's increasing. So that's what it's going to look like, but it's below the x-axis. So I just draw a curve like that from A to B. And so that's all students, give you the general shape with all different conditions. And that's how you do number 89.